Takoyaki Cafe. Located in between Guam Reef and Westin Hotel in Tumon, call them today at 648-TAMA.
And we're back. Thank you so much for tuning in. Well, it's week 3 of Summer as Sounds, and they took over the venue in Hagatna. With the recap, here's Asha.
I've been messing around, I've been messing around, I've been messing around, yeah, I've been messing around.
What's up, guys? What better way to start party number 3 than at Venue for their 10-year anniversary? We have great Bud specials with the Bud ladies. We have Big M Betta on stage right now, followed by DJ Oz, so let's get this party started.
The dance floor is open. I'm yours, pretty girl. Sing me from this world of confusion. Baby, can't you see? You were sent to me for a reason. Something to see.
Hey everyone, I'm here with Phil, the owner of the venue. Hi Phil, how you doing?
Hi Asha, how you doing tonight?
Good. So what do you think about the SOS parties?
Every year it gets bigger and bigger and better.
All right, Phil. So I know tonight is your 10-year anniversary for the venue. How does that feel?
You know, it's really a tribute to the patronage that we have with our customers. If our loyal customers didn't keep coming back, we wouldn't be here. So we're really grateful to them. And part of the festivities this week is we've been doing crazy, like $10 bucket specials. Probably the last time you had a $10 bucket was like 10 years ago, you know? So that, and we've been giving away trips to Manila with Cebu Pacific. So it's been fun giving back to those who have given to us, so.
All right, Phil. Well, the party looks good right now, so thank you. Phil, everybody. I spotted out one of the elite members tonight. His name is Chris. Hi, Chris.
Hello.
So, Chris, how does it feel to be an elite member?
It feels all right. I mean, it's my first time ever doing something like this. I tried it out and I got lucky.
So what does that entail for tonight? What do you get? What are the perks of being an elite member?
Well, for here at the venue, you become a VIP and you get free drinks all night. Any Bud products, and yeah, they treat you good. They treat you good.
So for those who don't know how to become an elite member, what did you have to do? What can you tell them to do?
Okay, well, I saw it on Instagram, and wait, hold on. You gotta look up this number and text it whenever you see it for next week. Text it, and you never know, you might get lucky. I got lucky.
All right, guys, there you have it.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night, and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night, and I won't be long till I hit the guns now, hit the guns now. I got all I need. No, I ain't got that.
All right, guys, party number 3 is done, and it's in the books. If you missed us tonight at Venue, check us out on Saturday, where we'll be at the Beach Bar. So let's give it up for our sponsors. We have Hafaloha, Salon and Vogue, etc., Crowns Guam, Chamarita Swimwear, Anywhere Clothing, Timeless Brand, Current Guam, Classic Tattoo, IT&E Life in Motion, Budweiser, and the station that's always blazing, I-94. See you guys on Saturday.
And of course, for the full recap, make sure to head on over to IT&E's page on Facebook. Coming up, we get a closer look at the Guam art exhibit in Tumon. You're watching In the Mix.
Your community calendar is brought to you by Taco Bell. Whether it's your first meal or your fourth meal, we've got you covered. Taco Bell, live Más.